Hey everyone, this is Ronnie with RDRC. Thanks for tuning in today. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by and checking the channel out. If you are returning, if you've seen some of the other videos I've posted, thank you very much as well. I truly appreciate you coming back and checking out some more. In this video, I've got my Axial SCX10 Deadbolt out at Trinidad State Beach here in Northern California. I just wanted to get out and do a run with this rig and get some footage of it before I start doing some modifications and upgrades. It's been a great little truck. It's a little worse for the wear. It's had some trail fixes, but still very capable. If you're familiar with these rigs, then you know what I'm talking about. A lot of parts out there for available for upgrades and modifications, and we're going to start working on some of those. But again, I just wanted to have some footage to kind of use as a baseline for comparison of the performance both before and after. So again, this is just a running video, you know, no real goal here or anything like that, just again checking out some different features, checking out some different lines. Great thing about Trinidad State Beach, there are these massive rocks. It's easy to access, you park right next to the beach, walk right down, but like I said, massive rocks with plenty of different lines to choose from. You know, in various, I guess you could call skill levels or difficulty levels, but just a great range of features, and I mean just a beautiful place to go out and have some fun with your crawlers, other RC cars, take the family, whatnot. This was a pretty good spot right here, this rock here, this face. I didn't get a measurement of, you know, the angle or anything like that. Maybe I'll take my angle finder out with me next time. But it totally looked like something doable for the SCX10. It is pretty steep, but it seemed like it would almost do it. There's just this one spot on the face there that it would get to, and I think we'll see that here in a second. The tires would start spinning, they start losing their grip, and the front end would start sliding over one direction, and it pretty much would tumble after that. So one of the first upgrades I'm going to be doing on it is full metal axles, housings and everything, and so hopefully that'll give us a little bit more weight down low, keep those tires planted, and we'll see if we can make it up that face there in the future. Alright, well again, I'm just going to let this pretty much run. I hope you guys enjoy it. I know it can be kind of tough to watch videos without much background or anything like that. So I hope that you will stay tuned for the whole video. I think I really got some great shots here, some pretty good views and some pretty good lines running this SCX10. So again, yeah, just please stick around to the end, and if you like what you see, give it a thumbs up, and feel free to leave any comments below. I'm still pretty new at this, so you know, let me know what you liked, what you didn't like, and definitely any suggestions for things that I could change, or things that you might like to see in the future. Let me know. Leave that stuff in the comment section below. I appreciate it.
Really? Oh, no. One-handed driving right there. For some reason, can't seem to get. That's throttle now. One-handed.
Alright everyone, thanks again for watching. That's going to about do it for this video. Again, I really appreciate you tuning in. If you liked what you saw, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and please hit that subscribe button. If you didn't like it, give me a thumbs up, give me a thumbs down. Tell me in the comments below what you didn't like, what you did like, and any suggestions that you might have for any other future content. I'm new at this, so I appreciate all input. Good, bad, and different. Just keep it constructive, please. All right, everybody. Hope you have a great day. Thanks again for tuning in.